Good morning. It's James with the game, and we are back at it. We got some sun, y'all. We got some sun. So you already know I'm going to try to get to it best as I can. It's still a little wet out here. I did a yard earlier this morning. My feet was like super wet. I had to go get the big boots. But they don't care. They want their grass cut, so we going to cut it, all right? Listen, we still on preseason. It's still preseason, man. Season ain't started yet for me, but it's still preseason. So we just out here warming up, getting right. I might be hiring 2 other guys so we can start really getting stuff done quick, fast, in a hurry. Because when you move quick, you make more money, period. The faster you move, the more money you make, especially when you keep your routes tight. So that's what I'm on right now. I got about 5 to do. Now we'll pick my boys up. So that's what it is, man. I'll see y'all in a second. It's James with the game. Peace. Right here, and then when you go down that way to the right, it's more grass over there. So we're gonna hit this first. Wrapped it up. Just finished up. It's 10:39. My young boys get out of school at 11:54. So I think I'm gonna sit around for a little bit. Or I don't know. That's the only thing, man. I be having to stop to grab my young boys. But that's about to stop though in like a month. So yeah, April was really bad for me. But we gonna figure it out. Still gonna make some money though. Y'all know how it is. It's James with the game. I'll see y'all at the next property. Peace. All right, guys, I'm at the next property. It's a little high. It's real high actually, but not too bad. Let's take a walk. Once I get my partner, we definitely can knock this out in less than an hour. Easy. All right. Go back here, back there. It's pretty high. It's not bad though. Go around. Go around. All right, we're gonna knock this out real quick. See y'all in a second. All right, just finished up. Just got a load of grass, but let's get this footage real quick. That's how it's looking now. Good, right? If I forget these. Blow the grass, we out of here. On to the next. Alright, so at the next property. Just gotta go all the way down there. Get a little bit of that and a little bit of cleaning up on the back. Something light. Something light. Let's get to it. What's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and we are back at it. We are back at it. I'm actually starting on this one right now. It's not that bad, but we can ready to tighten it up real quick. I got a nice little calm day. Like 6 yards to do. It's preseason, man. We ain't trying to do too much. All right, so we're ready to get to it. See y'all in a second. All right, guys, so I just finished up. All right, I just gotta blow the grass in the grass, and we out. Like I say, we ain't gotta clean up. We can just blow it in the street or blow it in the grass. We ain't gotta clean up out in Philadelphia, which is a plus. Yep. All right, so I just finished this up. Good. Check in real quick, see if my boy here need me. If not, I'm out. All right, guys, so for those two properties right there, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. All right, so that's two properties, $55. All right, I gotta hop out through the back real quick. Something light. I'm gonna tap that out real quick. All right, y'all, just finished up another small yard real quick. We on our small yards today. This joint right here, quick little small piece, little $25 action. Little $25 action, man. But other than that, I gotta go down the street real quick. Go take care of the old head. I'm actually skipping a house. I'm gonna work my car out real quick. Then I'm done. Or maybe not. I don't know. Alright, so I just finished up this joint right here. And the neighbor came out, so I'm about to do this one right here. So that's how I go, y'all. Alright? Always be ready. Always be out here looking professional, cutting these yards as good as you can cut them. Alright, so got that looking good. Steps. So just come knock on the door. Let's get that break. Top of the morning. What's going on, y'all? It's James with the gang. And it's Sunday. We out here at the church, about to get it in real quick. Got my young boy already with the mower running, already getting it in. It's game time, y'all. Yo, why you ain't going all the way down? All right, so we just finished up. Looking good. Idris! Right over here. We forgot to blow the grass back there. Grab it real quick. Here. It's right here. Like as you walk in, you're gonna see, right? You're gonna see a pile right there, and it's a bunch of grass. Blow all start from the end, blow all the grass this way. All right. Pretty much got that. That done. Boy, get ready to go finish getting that grass up. Mind you, he did all the cutting. I came behind him and got all the edges. We good. All right. So, the hair. Here. Right here. And we out. In and out. We was here for an hour, 15 minutes. Then it took me 2.5. I was by myself. Yo, you gotta blow that out of it. That's other people's problem. Just try to just do it now while it's not blowing. No, that stuff right here. Just get all that stuff from their pocket. Push it this way. You gotta push whichever way the wind blowing. Make it easy on yourself. Come on, we out.